For LEMO, a global leader in the design and manufacture of precision connectors and cables, the challenge is not just about connecting, but much more. The ultimate goal is to ensure a perfectly safe connection with durable materials able to face even the most extreme environments. Since 1946, LEMO's high-quality push-pull connectors have been used in a large variety of applications such as the medical, aeronautics and military industries. The company provides a range of over 75,000 products made in Switzerland. Production capacities include statistical process control systems as well as various corrective tools in order to achieve zero defect. With its REDEL product line, LEMO supplies circular plastic connectors mostly for medical equipment manufacturers. Since the acquisition of NORTHWIRE, the renowned cable manufacturer and designer, LEMO has been able to provide complete solutions, combining the best connectors with the best cables, whether they are flat, retractable, or technical. The LEMO Group organization includes various subsidiary companies all over the world. Each entity has its own distribution network in order to deliver our products within the shortest possible time frame. LEMO and its affiliated companies REDEL, NORTHWIRE and COELVER supply to over 100,000 customers in more than 80 countries worldwide.